Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, yes, it's another Madam Glam video, back to back. But I got this PR just a little late, but it's okay. Better late than pregnant. And Madam Glam are celebrating for the whole of July. It's their birthday for the whole of July. That's what's up. They are celebrating like celebrities, like royalty, as they are. So these are the 4 colors I chose. Now, I did want the pink, and I won't lie, it wasn't in stock, but God is good. That's all I'm going to say for now. You will see in a later video to come why. But for now, we're going to get into these 4 colors that I chose, because even though I didn't get that pink, these 4 are still stunning, and I don't have any colors like this. So let's please get into this video. I'm not going to talk. I'm going to let you watch the swatch. I mean, this looks pink to me, so it's all good. We will still get that pink, but anyway, we're going to let you just watch. I'm going to let you just watch. So as you do, guys, what is a swatch party without a little design? So that's exactly what we done. I had some colours down on the palette, the 4 colours that I got. Please, 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 please tell me in the comments how beautiful are these colours, the pigments. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know what to do with myself. This is me here just doing a little marbling. I used the base coat and then I didn't cure it, so you saw me put some base coat on the 2 white nails and the 2 black nails. However, I didn't cure one of the black nails. I left it wet so I can go over it with these colors and just, yeah, I was just doing a little marble, just playing with colors, because there is going to be a design. There's going to be a set. Furthermore, lots of sets. So for now, I was just playing with them, just showing you how beautiful they are. And yeah, I had so much fun just doing this. It's really late right now. It's like really early hours. I can't sleep. I'm not able to sleep. In a little pain. So I just thought, you know what, let me unbox these few colors that I got and just do a little swatching. And I'm sitting here doing this voiceover now, and I'm thinking, I could just lay down right now. It's always the way. But anyway, guys, I'm going to let you just watch a little bit more, and then I'll come back in and say my goodbyes, because it's not a very long video. So enjoy. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. We done some sugaring, we done some marbling, I done a little drag marble slash tie-dye. I'm thinking about it now. And this technique you see me doing here, guys, this is what I was saying to you about in the beginning of the video. You saw me pointing at the box. I didn't actually say anything, that's a lie. But I was pointing to the box. Now, Madam Glam, when they package their products, they make sure there are no problems. But I don't know if you just throw your boxes away, because that foam, that spongy foam is excellent. I use that to do that art, and it has a nice, perfect pattern that it leaves behind, like the effect. I love it. So yeah, I would definitely say don't throw it away. If you want to do like even marbling, there's some marbles that you can do where you're using a sponge and you can just dab your colors, or you can actually put all your colors down on the nail and then get that little bit of sponge and just dab and smudge them all in together. So I am recycling that box and I'm using that sponge. This is me here with just some flakes. I was just doing the most. I didn't really need to. Please don't pay any attention to this part. This is just when you've got flakes and aurora around you, to your left and your right, and you think, and you forget you're just doing a swatch. It's just meant to be light, nothing, you know, nothing deep. But here we are, still designing this swatch. Guys, I love you so much, and I thank you for putting up with me. I thank you for all your beautiful comments. Thank you so much. What else do I want to say? I love you and I appreciate you, and please keep your bells on so you can catch me in the next one. Taking a deep breath there, nothing coming out. That little bit got chopped off because I sneezed. Bless you, thank you. But yeah, guys, I love you lots. Mwah. I had to come back in and do that because the sneeze was trying to sabotage my goodbye. Anyway, love y'all.